Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over Yonbon-Mae. This is one of the All Japan Iaido Federation kata that we are working with the samurai sword, the katana. We'll have a look at this from the front. We will have a look at it from the side. Let's get started. Now this is a walking kata. I'm going to start by taking a step forward and then a second step. On my third step, I'm going to be turning to my right, drawing my sword, doing a single hand downward oblique cut. Then I look back over my left shoulder, pivoting around here, stepping through, overhead cut. Then I bring the sword up and lay it down horizontally, in tight against me. I'm turning to my front, horizontal cut. Then, looking over my left shoulder, I pivot around, overhead cut. Looking over my right shoulder now, I pivot around, overhead cut. Come back to Chudan no Kama, Chiburi, and then Noto, re-scabbard, reseat the sword in my belt, and then right back to where we started. All right, let's have another look at that from the front. We'll go a little faster this time. Then get back to where we started. Now let's have a look at this from the side. Again, I'm taking one step, two, and then on my third step, I'm turning off to my right, draw a downward oblique cut with my right arm, then look over my left shoulder, turn, step through, overhead cut, bring the sword up, lay it down horizontally, turning, horizontal cut, pivoting back around, overhead cut, looking over my right shoulder now, pivoting around, overhead cut, Chudan no Kama, Chiburi, and then Noto, re-scabbard. Now let's have one more look at that from the side. We will go a little faster this time. And that is our All Japan Iaido Federation kata, Yonbon-Mae. Thank you for joining me.